The 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, side airbag, floor mats, rear defrost, power locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.